For authorization, we need OAuth tokens, which you can get from the IDaaS environment. Go to Applications on the left and manage your OAuth clients here. From here you can create a new app. Choose Web so you could use authorization grants, which you can check the permissions down here. Now we have a client ID and secret. We can take this over to Postman, where with authorization, choosing OAuth 2, get new access token, give the token a name, leave callback URL as localhost, check the auth URL and make sure that that's idas.cloudany.com/OAuth authorize and the token OAuth/token, and paste your client ID here. Then go back and grab your secret. Scopes don't matter in this case, and we can send the client credentials in the body. Now we request the token. This takes us to Cloudinity where we need to log in. And because we've enabled MFA, we need to get the access code, retrieve it from our email, grant this application authorization, and now we have an access token which we can use in our transactions.